Imagine a cold winter's evening where the outside world is wrapped in a blanket of frost. Inside, the comforting crackle of a fireplace fills the room, creating an atmosphere of warmth and serenity. The rhythmic pops and sizzles of the wood burning lend a soothing symphony that resonates with the soul. Complementing this ambiance is the gentle embrace of a cozy blanket, a tactile reminder of comfort and security. Together, these elements transform a simple space into a sanctuary of peace. As you drift into relaxation, let the harmony of crackling flames and soft textures remind you of the simple joys of staying warm during winter's chill.